The KGW weather impact alert as heavy rain creates a risk for flooding. This is what a rising Johnson Creek looks like in southeast Portland tonight. There's also the chance for landslides and falling trees, so we've got a lot to look out for over the coming days. Thanks for joining us. I'm Christine Pitawanich along with Chief Meteorologist Matt Zafino here to break down what we can expect. Evening, Matt.
Hey, Christine. Yeah, it is warm, wet, and windy out there. The rain continues, 56 degrees. And the winds have come up too. They've been pretty gusty all night long, actually. We look at Doppler radar. The rain has picked up in intensity since earlier this evening, so we're still under the weather impact alert and likely will be into Wednesday. The heavy rain, strong winds, that's what we're dealing with, of course. And as you just mentioned, flooding on the roads, the highways, just a lot of spray, standing water. Be on the lookout for that. And landslides are a good possibility with our saturated and oversaturated soil out there. Look at Doppler radar again, and you can see we're just plastered with the dark green being moderate rain. More of it over us right now. It's actually sagging south a little bit. You can see the Olympic Peninsula has seen the rain really back on off. So we may see it lighten up a bit tonight, but then it's going to pick right back up again tomorrow and then really pick up again tomorrow night. Look at these rainfall totals. This is ending about 10:30 tonight, just south of Astoria, 5.47 inches of rain, very close to that spot. A viewer by the name of John Glenn was recording rain of about an inch an hour. Really impressive. Ariel, Washington, up on Yale Lake, over 5 inches of rain. Over 5 inches at Tillamook, nearly 5 inches in the Bull Run, and Jewel on the Coast Range, over 4 inches of rain. It has been impressive. And look at this. This is our hour-by-hour rainfall accumulation. By 6 a.m., we're looking at another inch of rain, and that's for Portland. There'll be more in the Coast Range, more up in the Cascades. So the heaviest rain, strongest winds are tonight, overnight, now really into the early morning hours. Round 2 comes in Tuesday night and Wednesday, Christine. More on that in a bit.